287.39. 287 and 39 is the distance. And now Jagger with the Dickey 2. And then Joe Gambino with the big horn. Those are our next 5 trucks coming up here. The big KW. Oh, down off to that left side of the track, fans. Let's give a nice round of applause here. Inventory liquidation, 279.75. This is 279. At 287.39. Our top 2 trucks here, the Top Secret and the Greenhorn. Oh, you got that front end up, fans, but just did not have the big power to get down to the end of the track here. 264.97 the distance, 264. All right, so Joe Gambino brings down the Dodge big horn. Smoke down there at the end of the track, fans. Let's give a nice round of applause. Joe Gambino and the big horn. Hamilton and Sons out of Michigan here this afternoon. Brent Hamilton running this truck here. That's a good one right down the middle of the track here. 271.16, 271.16 will be the distance. Something a little bit different here. Drove it towards the middle part of the track. 262.12. 262.12 for the 357 Magnum. Evan Lang this afternoon at 260. Let's see if Big Mo can change that here as he brings it out. Good looking ride here. Pennsylvania here this afternoon. Let's give a nice round of applause making it up here from Pennsylvania. William Oyster. Afternoon, the team out of Toledo, Ohio here today. Beth and Scott Hands. Let's give her a nice round of applause. 2:35.71 the distance. Lines out there on the start line. Those white lines. So they ran the first truck. He says, all right. Middle part of the track once again here, 282.08 the distance, fans. Let's give a nice round of applause. 282.08.